This day is special. This day is the day of celebration with you, because of you. In my short, I said, I only opened this in a video together with you. I had no time. This came on the 4th of June. Today we have 17th. So 2 weeks, I had no time. And I let this closed and said, no, I won't open this. I promised I open it with you. Today is the day. You see, the seals are completely closed. How could this be? I never imagined that this can happen so quickly. And it made a long way until it arrived here. I noted this down. Let me read this for you. You have to be informed when this happens with you. It came from Grove, Oklahoma. It went through Pittsburgh in Kansas, through Memphis, Tennessee, then across the ocean in Grace, Cologne in Belgium, then to Cologne in Germany, until my town here. Yes, and now it's there. So let's make the magic unboxing. Thanks to you and thanks to the cute genie in the bottle. 4th of June, so that the force be with me. I'm so excited. Should I really open it or leave it closed until another week? No, we make it today. Okay, let's make it slowly and get every satisfaction from this. Well, here's another one. Okay. Ta 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 ta. Can you see it? Okay. Just black. The black box. Black in black. The man in black. Okay. Okay, there comes the writing. I never got any package from YouTube. This was exciting. When the courier came and gave me, he said, "Oh, from YouTube." I said, "Yes." Okay, a letter from YouTube. Probably you already know what is written on the letter. Let me get the glasses off. Do you remember your first? I don't remember my first subscriber. Your 100th? Not even them. Or your 1000th subscriber? No. Sorry. Congratulations. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. And I made my research because it's written here. This comes from Rick Long. And I made my research. This is Rick. Thank you very much. You made a good job. Another time. Okay, let's get away from the paper. And here it is. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I opened the box. This is the magic unboxing. Thanks to you. So let me open this first. Then we make the toast. Where can I get this? Yeah. Plastic. Black. Isn't this cute black? Ta 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 ta. This is you. This only happened because of you. Presented to Matthias Lenardt, this is my name, for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. A mirror. Can you see you in the mirror? The man in the mirror. all the people in the mirror. Nice mirror. Thank you so much. You know what? I prepared this. I think this will fit. Yes, it does. Wonderful. And by the way, it even grew another. So imagine all of you. I had this idea. Imagine the ocean. Every single drop of water is the ocean. If you put any drop of water from the ocean, there's just a desert. Every single drop of an ocean makes the ocean. And this only happens because of you. Probably my content is not that bad. When I started my channel, I had this idea. Every smile is worth it. Every smile of yours is worth it. Whether my video informs you, whether my video empowers you, or my video entertains you. And isn't this funny? Here on YouTube, we all start with 0 subscribers. 0. Nothing. And there were so many times when I thought, is it really worth all the effort? Are there people out there that will be informed or empowered or entertained by my videos? And our emotions go up and down and up and down and up and down. But it's like learning a musical instrument. I always have this analogy. When we continue practicing, producing videos, we get better. We get better. There are ups and downs, and really downs when we want to throw the towel, because we see all the effort. You see all the technique. We are growing like a solo entrepreneur. We build our own television studio, whether we record outside or in the studio or in the kitchen. I call it my space kitchen. Do you know the recordings from my space kitchen? They are worth watching. But I swear, patience, endurance, and loving what we are doing is building up any success. And this is why I want you to invite to this celebration party. This is my original Brazil Capia. Cheers! This is you. This is you. I'm only the translator of the voice of the genie. Cheers. Today I made it a little sweeter. Original cachaça from Brazil. Lemon, ice, sugar. Do you want me to share my special? I made a lot of them in the past. And I think I developed a way. I like this one. And when I like this is good, because I drank a lot of them. And I know all the comparison. But I decided to do this one. When you want to see, or when you want to get this recipe, write it in the comments. I can share a video to make the original Matthias Brazil Capia, but only if you want it. If not, I drink it alone. Cheers. Oh, another. This is so good. So fresh. So tasty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The gold one is even bigger. I think this is even bigger. Yes. I think today it has its special place. In the next video I won't show it because this seems a little too... But in this video I think this YouTube Creator Award deserves his place together with the inspiring home of the genie, his lamp. It all started with the lamp. And the lamp still inspires me, as always. So, did I forget something? No. I think the celebration is over. I can still continue this when I put the stop button of this recording. But I want to launch this video tomorrow in the morning. So this night I will edit this video. It should get out to inform you. Yes, thank you once again. Thank you. And in my more than 1,200 videos on my channel, you find good stuff. And this is just the beginning. I won't stop today. I think this is a good foundation. I prepared a lot for my upcoming videos. I will surprise you, as always. Thank you.